Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the often overlooked realm of money-wasting habits that can drain your finances without you even realizing it. So we're going to expose these financial traps and equip you with the knowledge to avoid them. We'll cover everything from those sneaky recurring subscriptions you forgot about to everyday purchases that seem small but add up over time. By identifying these pitfalls, you can make informed decisions that lead to substantial savings over time. Our goal is to engage you with informative tips that not only highlight the importance of being mindful about your spending, but also empower you to take control of your financial future. So stay tuned as we uncover these 21 money traps and help you pave the way to smarter financial choices. And you don't want to miss number 15. Number 1. All right, let's kick things off with a classic money trap: unused gym memberships. We've all been there, signing up with the best intentions, only to find ourselves skipping workouts and letting that monthly fee drain our bank accounts. But here's the thing, you don't need a fancy gym membership to stay fit. Before committing to a gym, evaluate how often you realistically plan to use it. If you're short on time or prefer exercising in your own space, home workouts can be incredibly effective. Plus, working out at home eliminates commute time and gym fees, saving you both time and money. Number 2. Now, let's talk about investing, specifically the hidden fees that can eat away at your returns. I'm talking about expense ratios. An expense ratio is basically a fee you pay to the fund manager for managing your investments. Imagine this. You invest $10,000 and earn a 7% annual return. But here's the catch. If your fund has an expense ratio of 1%, you're actually only earning 6% after fees. The solution? Opt for low-cost index funds. By choosing index funds, you're essentially keeping more of your hard-earned returns and maximizing your investment growth potential. Number 3. Let's face it, we all love a good deal, and fast fashion retailers are experts at tempting us with trendy clothes at unbelievably low prices. But here's the thing, that $10 shirt might seem like a steal, but the true cost goes far beyond the price tag. Fast fashion thrives on a cycle of rapid production and consumption, often at the expense of quality and ethical labor practices. Instead of falling into the fast fashion trap, try shifting your mindset towards quality over quantity. Invest in higher quality garments that are built to last. Not only will you save money in the long run, but you'll also be making a more sustainable choice for the environment. Number 4. Late fees are like those pesky mosquitoes buzzing around your head, annoying and completely avoidable. The key to avoiding late fees is simple. Stay organized. Create a system for tracking your bills, whether it's a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or even just good old-fashioned sticky notes on your fridge. Set reminders on your phone or calendar a few days before each due date so you're not caught off guard. And here's a game changer. Automate your payments. Most banks and service providers offer automatic payment options, so you can set it and forget it. This way, your bills are paid on time, every time, without you having to lift a finger. Number 5. You know what's worse than finding a parking ticket on your windshield? Opening your bank statement to find a bunch of unexpected fees? The first step is to understand the enemy. Read the fine print on your account agreement and familiarize yourself with the fees associated with your account. Common culprits include monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, and ATM fees. Consider switching to a bank or credit union that aligns with your financial needs. Online banks, for instance, often have lower overhead costs, which they pass on to customers in the form of lower fees and higher interest rates on savings accounts. Do your research, compare options, and find a financial institution that values your business and won't nickel and dime you with unnecessary charges. Number 6. Let's be real, the lottery is often called a tax on hope for a reason. While it's tempting to dream about winning big, the odds of actually hitting the jackpot are astronomically slim. Think of it this way. Every dollar you spend on lottery tickets is a dollar that could be invested in your future. Instead of gambling on unlikely outcomes, consider investing in assets that have the potential to grow over time, such as stocks, bonds, or real estate. Investing might not offer the instant gratification of a lottery win, but it provides a much more reliable path to building long-term wealth. So ditch the lottery tickets and start investing in your financial future. Your future self will thank you. Number 7. Have you ever purchased a new gadget and been bombarded with offers for extended warranties? It's like they can smell your fear of something breaking. Here's the deal. Most products come with a manufacturer's warranty that covers defects for a certain period. Plus, credit cards often offer extended warranty protection as a perk, so you might already be covered without realizing it. Before shelling out extra cash for an extended warranty, do your research and weigh the costs against the potential benefits. Number 8. Calling all coffee lovers. If you're a daily visitor to your local coffee shop, listen up! That $5 latte might seem like a small indulgence, but those daily purchases can add up to a significant expense over time. Investing in a home coffee setup can save you a ton of money in the long run. Whether you prefer a simple drip coffee maker, a French press, or a fancy espresso machine, there's a brewing method out there for every budget and preference. Once you've got your equipment sorted, explore the world of coffee beans. Experiment with different roast origins and brewing techniques to find your perfect cup. By making coffee at home, you're not only saving money, but also gaining control over the quality and customization of your daily brew. Number 9. Eating out for lunch might seem convenient, but it's a surefire way to drain your bank account. The solution is simple. Become a lunch packing pro. Meal prepping your lunches in advance not only saves you money, but also allows you to make healthier choices. Dedicate a couple of hours each week to plan your meals, grocery shop, and prepare your lunches for the week ahead. Get creative with your lunch ideas. Sandwiches, salads, leftovers from dinner. The possibilities are endless. Packing your lunch is a small change that can have a big impact on both your wallet and your waistline. Number 10. Grocery shopping can feel like a financial minefield, especially when you're bombarded with tempting displays and special offers. The first rule of grocery shopping on a budget is never shop hungry. When your stomach is rumbling, you're more likely to make impulse purchases and end up with a cart full of things you don't actually need. Before heading to the store, create a detailed grocery list and stick to it. This will help you stay focused and avoid unnecessary spending. Another helpful tip is to plan your meals around what's on sale. Remember, a little planning goes a long way when it comes to saving money on groceries. Number 11. Okay, let's talk about bottled water for a moment. It's expensive, it's bad for the environment, and it's totally unnecessary. Seriously, we have perfectly good tap water available to us, and yet we spend billions of dollars each year on bottled water. Investing in a reusable water bottle is one of the easiest and most impactful things you can do for your wallet and the planet. By choosing reusable water bottles over single-use plastic, you're not only saving money, but also reducing your environmental footprint. It's a win-win situation for your wallet and the planet. Number 12. We've all been there, signing up for a free trial and then forgetting to cancel it before the paid subscription kicks in. Those sneaky recurring subscriptions can really add up over time, draining your bank account without you even realizing it. Take some time to review all of your subscriptions, streaming services, music apps, gym memberships, meal kit deliveries, the works. Cancel any subscriptions that you don't use regularly or that no longer bring you value. Number 13. In today's digital age, clinging to physical media is like clinging to your flip phone. It's time to let go. Think about it. Streaming services offer a vast library of movies, TV shows, and music at your fingertips, often for less than the cost of a single DVD or CD. Ebooks provide a convenient and portable way to enjoy your favorite books without cluttering your shelves. Embracing digital alternatives not only saves you money, but also reduces clutter and waste. Number 14. Let's be honest, cable TV is so last century. With the rise of streaming services, cable has become a dinosaur, expensive, bloated, and full of channels you never watch. Streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney Plus offer a wide variety of movies, TV shows, and documentaries for a fraction of the cost of cable. Plus, you have the flexibility to watch what you want, when you want, without being tied to a rigid cable schedule. So, ditch the cable box, embrace the streaming revolution, and enjoy a world of entertainment at your fingertips. Number 15. We've all been there, browsing online, adding items to our cart, and then bam! We're hit with exorbitant shipping fees. First and foremost, plan! If you know you need something by a certain date, don't wait until the last minute to order it. Give yourself ample time to shop around, compare prices, and choose the most cost-effective shipping option. Many online retailers offer free or discounted shipping for orders above a certain amount, so try to bundle your purchases to take advantage of these offers. Some online retailers are notorious for their high shipping fees, while others offer free or low-cost shipping as a standard practice. Remember, A little planning and research can go a long way in saving you money on shipping costs. Number 16. You know what's more frustrating than hitting every red light on your way to work? Getting to the ATM, withdrawing cash, and then getting slapped with a hefty fee for the privilege. The easiest way to avoid ATM fees is to use your own bank's ATMs. Make it a habit to locate your bank's ATMs in your neighborhood, workplace, and frequently visited areas so you're always prepared. Plan ahead and withdraw larger amounts of cash less frequently to minimize the number of ATM transactions you make and reduce your exposure to fees. Number 17. Traveling to a foreign country is an incredible experience, but those pesky foreign transaction fees can put a damper on your adventures. Every time you swipe your credit card abroad, you might be hit with a fee for the currency conversion, which can add up quickly and eat into your travel budget. The good news is that there are credit cards specifically designed for international travel that waive foreign transaction fees. Before you jet off on your next international adventure, do your research and find a credit card that meets your travel needs and helps you avoid those pesky foreign transaction fees. Bon voyage and happy travels. Number 18. Imagine this. You're lounging in a luxurious hotel room, sipping champagne, and enjoying breathtaking views, all for free. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with the power of credit card rewards, this dream can become a reality. Many credit cards offer generous rewards programs that allow you to earn points, miles, or cash back on your everyday purchases. By strategically using your credit card for things you already buy, you can accumulate a substantial amount of rewards that can be redeemed for travel experiences, including free hotel stays. Number 19. Airline fees are the bane of every traveler's existence. From baggage fees to seat selection fees, airlines seem to have mastered the art of nickel and diming passengers at every turn. One of the best ways to avoid airline fees is to use a travel-focused credit card. These cards often come with perks such as free checked bags, priority boarding, and airport lounge access, which can save you a significant amount of money and hassle. Another tip is to pack light and avoid checked bags altogether. Your wallet and your back will thank you. Number 20. Buying a home is a significant financial milestone, but it often comes with a hidden cost private mortgage insurance, or PMI. PMI is an insurance policy that protects the lender if you default on your mortgage, and it's typically required for borrowers who make a down payment of less than 20%. While PMI provides peace of mind for lenders, it can add a significant expense to your monthly mortgage payments. One option is to save for a larger down payment. By putting down at least 20% of the purchase price, you can avoid PMI from the get-go. And once you've built up enough equity in your home, typically 20%, you can contact your lender and request to have PMI removed from your loan. Number 21. Taxes, the word alone is enough to send shivers down anyone's spine. But here's the thing. Taxes are a necessary part of life, and there's no escaping them. However, there are ways to minimize your tax liability and keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. The key is to be informed about the various tax deductions and credits available to you. From deductions for homeownership and student loan interest, to credits for childcare expenses and energy-efficient home improvements, there's a wide range of tax breaks available to taxpayers. A little tax planning can go a long way in maximizing your savings and achieving your financial goals. In summary, this video highlighted the importance of avoiding unnecessary expenses to maintain and improve your financial health. We explored 21 common money traps that can sabotage your budget and hinder your financial progress. By being mindful of your spending patterns, identifying areas where you can cut back, and adopting smart financial habits, you can take control of your finances and create a more secure future. We encourage viewers to take action by subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with others who may benefit from these insights. Additionally, we invite you to explore our related content for further financial education, as knowledge is key to making smarter financial decisions and achieving your financial goals. Thank you for watching.